how to add page numbers to a PDF file. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can add page numbers to a PDF file. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice or any search engine. I'll be going with the Google, and in that you will need to type in iLovePDF. Now you will see this website that goes by iLovePDF.com. So simply open this website and you will see an interface like this. In case you do not see an interface like this, it's because that I have enabled desktop site and it is recommended to do so. So now from here you will see this option that says page numbers. So click on to page numbers, and from here in this web page click on select PDF file. Now from here you will need to select the PDF file on which you want to add page numbers, and now you can see that my PDF file has been loaded and it contains 6 pages. So from here I can control a lot of things like the page mode, either single page or facing page, and the position of the number where it should appear. So I will be keeping it to bottom right. I can also choose the margin, which I'm gonna keep small, and then I also have pages as well. So the first number should be 1, and then I can also decide which pages I want to get numbered. So let's say if I don't want the first page to get numbered, I can simply choose 2 instead of 1. So I'll simply type it or increase it to 2, and now only from pages 2 to 6 will get numbered. And then I can also add some other text if I want, and also add some text formatting as well. Then I can click on to add page number option, and it is currently getting uploaded. As you can see, it has been 76% uploaded, and once the uploading of this particular file finishes, numbers will be applied to this and we can easily download it. So let us wait for the uploading and then we will download it. So now you can see after the pages has been successfully numbered, you will see a page like this, and you can click onto this download PDF numbered button in order to download the PDF file. And here you can see that the PDF file is getting downloaded, and once this will get downloaded, we will open it and verify whether the numbers are present in the pages or not. So now as you can see, we have almost downloaded our PDF file. So let us open it and see if the pages are numbered or not. And here you can see that the first page of this particular PDF file is not numbered, but if we'll move on to the second page onwards, you can see that the numbering has started to appear right here at the bottom right corner. So that's how easily you can number a PDF file. That was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.